You wake up tomorrow, no stress about bills, no anxiety checking your bank account, no panic when an unexpected expense hits. Not because you're rich, but because your life is designed to be financially unbreakable. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Financial stability isn't about earning more, it's about needing less and controlling what stays. Today, I'm going to show you minimalist money rules that can literally change your financial life forever. And these aren't theories. These are real, practical rules used by people who stay stable even in chaos. Part 1. Define enough. The biggest financial mistake people make? They never define what enough looks like, so they keep chasing more money, more stuff, more lifestyle upgrades. And no matter how much they earn, it never feels like enough. Minimalists do the opposite. They ask, what do I actually need to live a good life? Let me give you a real example. Two people earn $5,000 a month. Person A spends $4,800 trying to look successful. Person B spends $2,500 and invests the rest. After 5 years, Person A is stressed. Person B is financially free. Same income, different definition of enough. If you don't define enough, society will define it for you, and it will always be expensive. Part 2. Eliminate invisible expenses. You don't go broke from big purchases, you go broke from small, repeated leaks. Subscriptions you forgot about. Impulse Amazon buys, daily takeout. Convenience spending. Individually, harmless. Together, financial destruction. Here's something powerful. Most people don't track money because they're afraid of what they'll find. Minimalists do the opposite. They face it. Try this. Look at your last 30 days of spending. Ask yourself, did this improve my life, or was it just a distraction? Be honest, because every dollar you waste is a dollar that could have bought your freedom. Part 3. Build a boring financial system. People think financial success is exciting. It's not. It's actually boring. And that's the secret. Minimalist money systems are automated, simple, and predictable. Example system. Income comes in. Fixed percent goes to savings. Fixed percent goes to investing. Rest is for living. No guessing. No emotional decisions. No chaos. Because emotions are expensive. When you feel rich, you overspend. When you feel broke, you panic. A system removes emotion, and consistency beats intensity every time. Part 4. Buy back your freedom, not status. Most people spend money to impress others. Minimalists spend money to reduce dependence. There's a huge difference. Let's say you get a bonus. Option 1. Buy a luxury item. Option 2. Pay off debt or invest. One gives you attention. The other gives you control. Here's the truth. Nobody remembers your purchases, but you live with their financial consequences every day. So before buying anything, ask, does this make my life easier or just look better? Because financial stability is built quietly, not displayed loudly. Part 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation at all costs. You get a raise, and suddenly, better car, better apartment, more expensive habits. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the reason high earners still feel broke. Minimalists break this cycle. When income increases, they don't upgrade life immediately. They upgrade security first. Emergency fund, investments, debt-free living. Only then, optional upgrades. Because once your lifestyle expands, it's very hard to shrink it back. Part 6. Create a financial buffer. Financial stability isn't about never facing problems. It's about being ready when they happen. Car breaks down, medical bill, job loss. These aren't unexpected. They're inevitable. Minimalists prepare for reality. Start with this. Build a 3-6-month emergency fund. Not for luxury, for survival. Because the moment you have a buffer, fear disappears. And when fear disappears, you make better decisions. Part 7. Delay gratification like a pro. This one rule alone can change everything. Minimalists don't deny themselves. They delay. They understand something powerful. Instant pleasure equals long-term pain. Delayed discipline equals long-term freedom. Example, you want something today. Instead of buying it immediately, wait 7 days. Still want it? Then it might matter. Most of the time, you won't, because many purchases are emotional, not logical, and time kills unnecessary desire. Part 8. Focus on cash flow, not just income. People love talking about income, but income doesn't make you stable. Cash flow does. What matters is how much you keep, not how much you earn. You can earn $10,000 a month and still struggle if you spend $9,900. Minimalists track what stays. They prioritize low fixed expenses, consistent savings, smart investments, because financial stability is a math problem, not a motivational one. Part 9. Make money simple. Complexity kills consistency. If your financial system is complicated, you won't stick to it. Minimalists simplify everything. Few bank accounts, clear budget, automated investing, simple goals, no overthinking, because clarity leads to action, and action leads to results. Part 10. Protect your peace. This might be the most underrated rule. Money problems are stressful, but so is chasing money endlessly. Minimalists don't sacrifice their peace for status. They choose less stress, less debt, less pressure, and more control. Because at the end of the day, financial stability isn't just about numbers, it's about sleeping peacefully at night. Let me leave you with this. You don't need to be rich to feel secure. You need to be intentional. The world will always try to make you spend more. Want more? Chase more. But stability comes from doing less, better. So start small. Pick just one rule from this video and apply it today. Because your future isn't built in one big decision. It's built in small, consistent choices. And one day, you'll wake up and realize you're not just surviving anymore. You're finally financially free. If this changed how you think about money, make sure you subscribe. Because here, we don't just talk about making money. We talk about keeping it, growing it, and protecting your freedom. See you in the next one.